Hello, second grade friends. This is lesson 13.9. This is the worksheet in case you needed some extra directions or you need me to read it to you. Okay, so starting with the directions, we always start by reading the directions first. The chart shows how many inches of snow fell from November to March. Use the information to create a line graph and answer the questions. Remember, the last 2 days we've been studying line graphs. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to look at your chart. Your information is right over here, snow totals. In November, it snowed 2 inches. In December, it snowed 7 inches. January, it snowed 12 inches. February, 11 inches. And March, 6 inches. Okay, so we're going to look at number 1. Number 1 says put a star below the label of the month that had the most snow. Well, we didn't make our line graph yet, so we don't really know. So first, you have to make your line graph. So you're going to go to November, and then you're going to go put a dot where it says 2. December, find where it's how much, and then go up and put a dot. Do the same for January, February, and March. Once you get all your dots, then in order to make it a line graph, you have to connect your lines. So you're going to connect your lines with a line. Then we can do number 1. Put a star below the label of the month that had the most snow. So you're going to make a little star underneath the month that had the most. Number 2 says put a circle under the label of the month that had the least snow. Least. So put a circle under the one that had the month that had the least. And then number 3, how much snow fell in all? So you're going to take those numbers and in all, remember what that means. We need to add them all together. Okay, that's it for this worksheet.